Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do this blue line video transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add in my video here, and then I'm going to make the before very blurry and low quality. So I'm just going to scale it down. Right click, create compound clip, and then scale it up again. You can also make this a black and white photo. Hold on, let me just scale it down a little bit more because that wasn't very great. Okay, maybe like that, and then you're going to select adjustments and turn down the saturation as well. And then you are going to add in a picture of a blue line, a blue background, not a blue line, you're going to add it in the middle of these videos. Go to mask and select split. Select film strip and adjust the line a little bit, and you're going to feather it out to create a glow effect, just a little though. Then you're going to move it up here. And then you're going to keyframe it as well. And then you're going to go at the end, a bit like here. And then you're going to put the line down. Can I not put this down? Hold on, what's going on? You're going to attempt to put it. I can't put it down for some strange reasons. Oh, I understand why. Hold on. Let me do that again. So do it actually in basic instead of the mask. You're going to position it up there, and then at the end you're going to want to try to grab the line again. It's very hard to do. Hold on. Let me just lock this in place first so that it doesn't get disturbed. Here it is. And then at the end, I'm just going to put the line down here. And if you want, you can mask the video as well, but this is good enough, I think. Let me just adjust this a little bit because I cut it too soon. And you can add the video on top of the other video. So you can select the mask and select split it this way, and then put this up here, add a keyframe, and at the end here you're going to want to put this down. I can just grab the line. It's very hard to do, sorry about that. My god. Let me zoom out. There you go. And just do that. Oops. And you're going to move the line on top of that video. Hopefully it matches it, but if it doesn't, you're just going to try to match it with the video. It's a little bit tricky, but hopefully you can do it. That's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!